So, welcome to my humble home. I only moved here a few months ago because I was in Rome. Um, so just take a seat and rest your feet. I'll go get you some water to beat the heat. Alright. Here you go.
Thanks. I was kind of thirsty anyway, but I just want to get through this Monday. Hey, what do you work at again?
I'm a freelance makeup artist, but the job isn't exactly the hardest.
Oh, I guess that explains your hair, your flare, the neckwear, and whatever you got there. How's Auntie?
She's alright. She's getting better. I mean, ever since the passing of my dad last year. Anyway, enough with all this gloom. Let me bring you to your room.
Alright.
So, this is your new place. I gotta leave for work pretty soon, so enjoy yourself for our orientation tomorrow afternoon, okay?
By the way, how you get this space? It seems kind of rad.
Dad's money, of course. How else would I have gotten it, honey? Alright, enjoy yourself.
Do you need help, freshman?
Oh, yeah, sure, thanks, man.
Alright, let me see. It's level 3, room 13.
Oh, it is that route?
Yeah, come.
Oh,
Follow
okay.
me. What course are you taking?
My foundation in art is in the making.
Oh, what are you doing next?
I don't know, my life's complex.
Oh, well, we were all lost after our preview, so I don't blame you. This is it. Your classroom, your endgame.
Thanks. I didn't get your name.
Let that be a mystery, and maybe it'll be a history. But I'll give you my number. Here you go.
Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
I hope you like red meat, because it's all you're gonna eat.
Okay.
So, how are classes?
Meh.
You met any lasses?
Meh.
And how's campus?
That's pretty blue. Hey, what are you doing?
Looks like someone's been busy. Wait, you don't have to flee. I bet if Auntie were to hear this, she'll be pissed.
No, you can't show.
Why not? I'd love to see how she reacts. I mean, curiosity does kill the cat.
Please, don't do anything. I'll do anything, or I'm literally dying. Just don't do anything.
Anything?
Yes.
Hold on. The steak you're eating comes from this.
L'amour est un oiseau rebelle que nul ne peut apprivoiser.
My ex doesn't taste bad at all.
S'il lui convient de refuser.
There are too many bad guys out there. You want to help out to make things fair?
Mais il me plaît. si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Si je t'aime, prends garde à toi. Si tu ne m'aimes pas, si tu ne m'aimes pas, je t'aime. Mais si je t'aime, si je t'aime, prends garde à toi.
Hey, I hope you like the steak and don't get a bellyache.
Nah, this is really good. I think I've had this during my childhood. What meat is this? Because it's bringing me great bliss.
I wish I knew, but honestly, I don't have a clue.
This is some good stuff. I can never have enough.
Oh, hey there. Oh my god, I love your hair.
Oh, hello. Thank you. I'm Ina. I hope you like the dinner.
Yeah. This meat is fresh and juicy. I can eat them all three. Where'd you get it from? Because this is really bomb.
We have our own local produce, which will soon diffuse.
I really love the taste. I can never let this all go to waste.
Anyways, I'm gonna be in my room, so you boys enjoy, okay? And Daniel, be a good boy.
Hey, are you okay? Because you look kind of gray. What's going on? Is there something wrong?
What I'm doing now is wrong, and I've been thinking for so long.
What do you mean? You gotta come clean.
I think you're cute, and I like you.
I really like you too, and even I can't deny it's true.
Why?
I click with you a lot, and do you think you can give us a shot?
What the hell? And you were doing so well.
Et c'est bien, on va qu'on l'appelle.
You scout, I kill.
Il n'a rien dit, mais il me